Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to move your WhatsApp messages to a new phone without PC. Well, this is very easy. All you have to do is to open your phone, launch your application, WhatsApp application, go to your chats, and as you can see here, if you click this Move Chats to Android, you need a cable wire for that. Okay, you can just simply move everything here once you have your cable wire. But if you don't have, then you just have to do the backup. Auto backup, you can choose daily, include videos, and then start backing up. You must include or you must add your Google account here. So when you open your WhatsApp to other device and do the backup or restore the backup, then you have your or the same Google account. And as what I mentioned before, if you have your cable wire with you, then it would be easier if you just simply plug in the cable wire on your iPhone to your Android. And all you have to do is to tap this continue on your new phone. It's just plainly basic and very easy to do. So same goes with your iPhone to your Android. But if you don't have, then you can do the backup like what I've shown you earlier. Okay, so once you have added your account here and do the backup like daily, let's just say the frequency is daily. So you have all your files with you on your Google account. So it's time to open your WhatsApp to other device or to new device. So now I'm on my new device and my WhatsApp account was automatically logged out from my old device. So here I have to choose my country. So let me look for my country here and then enter my phone number. Make sure that this is the correct phone number. Then after you have entered your phone number here, what you're going to do next is you have to tap this next button below. Now it will ask your confirmation again. So all you have to do is to click yes. And then after that, it will ask a verification code from your old phone. So you have to enter this code to your new device in order for you to have access to your WhatsApp application. After that, click continue and it's about to restore what you have backup on your WhatsApp. Okay, so looking for backups, that's the reason why I told you earlier that you must have your Google account linked to that WhatsApp. So you have to click that or look for that email address right here and then tap restore in order for you to restore everything, including videos, files, chat messages, and so on. So once done, then all you have to do now is to launch your WhatsApp application and whatever the messages, the files, the videos there on your old device, you will see it right here because you have done the backup. So I do really hope that this video helped you. If it does, then please do like and subscribe. And if you want to create or if you want us to do some tutorials, please do comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.